In this complete guide, I will show you how to hide WooCommerce shipping methods conditionally without any extra plugin. Altogether 15 simple hacks that will allow you to customize your shipping system. For example, if I choose a local pickup, I'm going to show you how to display the address. We're going to hide some fields if local pickup is chosen. For example, if I select free shipping or courier, as you see, there are a bunch of fields, but if the local pickup is selected, there are some fields that we're going to hide. So it's going to be an interesting ride, and if you're interested, then jump in. And let's start by explaining one thing. All the snippets I'm going to show you, you can use them two ways. First method is that you're going to use the child theme, open up the theme file editor, and add all the code to the functions.php file. I don't recommend this method, therefore I'm going to use the other method. That is, I'm going to go to the plugins, add new, and search for code snippets. This one here. This plugin allows us to add all the needed code, and it will work even if you switch the themes. That's why I'm going to use this one here. So, code snippets, install and activate, and next go to the snippets menu and add new, because we're going to add the first snippet, and that is we're going to disable WooCommerce shipping methods for a specific shipping class. Before I'm going to add the snippet, a small explanation. If you don't know what are the shipping classes, then go to the WooCommerce settings, open up shipping. There are shipping classes. As you see, I have added 3 classes here: courier only, only local pickup, and only parcel machines. Pay attention to the slug here because we're going to use them later. Now, 3 shipping classes. Next, I'm going to add those shipping classes to the products. For example, let's imagine that this product here can be sent only with a courier. Therefore, I'm going to add courier only here. I'm going to update, and next I'm going to paste this code here. So, courier only, as you see, this slug I showed you before, and this slug here. So, I'm going to add this one here, and it says, if the product contains shipping class courier only, hide local pickup, smart post, and DPD. In order to find out the shipping IDs I would like to use, I have to go to the checkout page, right click here, inspect. I'm going to select the shipping methods I would like to hide, and as you see, there is a value here. So I'm just going to copy and paste it here, second one here, and third one here. Now only run on site front end, save changes and activate, add to cart, and now if I go to the checkout, the local pickup, DPD, and smart post should be disabled. And as you see, only local pickup 2 is activated, but not local pickup 1. So it works. And that means it's time to go to the second hack. Once again, snippets, add new, and this one we're gonna hide WooCommerce checkout fields when local pickup is selected. That is, if I select the local pickup, I will hide some fields here. Paste this snippet, and a couple of things for you to point out. Once again, here goes the shipping method name. So let's take a look. Inspect. It's local pickup 8. I'm going to paste it here. Next one, take a look at this line here. It contains all the fields you can hide with this method: company, country, postcode, address, address to, city, and state. Now next one, I would have to change this method also here. Local pickup 8, only run on site front end, save changes and activate. And let's refresh. So currently free shipping. Now let's select the local pickup 2, and as you see, fields are hidden. And this concludes hack number 2. But what if I would like to add those fields for the multiple shipping methods, not only for local pickup 2, but also for the smart post and local pickup 1? So let's tweak it a bit. That is, we're going to add another snippet, give it a title, For example, hide WooCommerce checkout fields based on shipping methods. And now paste this code here. Some explanations for you. So we're going to hide shipping fields for 3 different shipping methods. For local pickup to, and smart post. Here's a reference for you what are the field names. These parts you don't have to touch, but take a look. So line 30, local pickup to, this contains my shipping method. Those are the shipping fields. I'm gonna hide some Ajax. Once again, this is a shipping methods I'm gonna use. Now I just took the code, pasted it down below and change the function name, shipping method name, once again fields, and once again local pickup. That is the other local pickup shipping methods I'm gonna use. And third one, basically the same, it's here. So if I would like to add another one, I would just paste this code here, change the function name, change the shipping method name, add or remove fields. Here I'm gonna change once again function name and shipping method name. Also class here, here, and here. Now I'm gonna delete this part and leave it as it was before. That is, I'm gonna hide fields for 2 local pickups and smart post. For the smart post, I'm gonna also remove phone. For the local pickup, I'm not gonna remove the phone field. Only run on site front end, save changes and activate, refresh the page, and now let's test it. I'm gonna choose local pickup 1, fields are removed, local pickup 2, the same, DPD, all the fields are there, courier, all the fields are there, smart post, and the phone is also gone. And that's how easy it is. And that means we can move to the next snippet. That is, we're going to display WooCommerce store address for local pickup shipping method. That is, if I'm gonna choose local pickup, this address here is shown. I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's really easy. And in order to accomplish that, once again, take a look at the shipping method ID. That is local pickup 2 over here. Now I'm gonna go to the customizer, open up additional CSS, and paste this one here. So take a look at this part here, local pickup 2, this contains my shipping ID. And also this part here contains my shipping ID, so change those 2 parts accordingly. Also in the content part, add your own address, and now you can customize the color, weight, and so on. Just publish and it's there. If I would like to show some other address for the local pickup 2, then I'm gonna change the ID number here and here, change the address, and let's see. There you go. Publish, and I'm good to go. And that means I can close the customizer and move to the next snippet. That is, I'm gonna disable WooCommerce shipping methods based on specific category. So I'm gonna add new, give it a title, and now I'm gonna paste this code here. So what will it do? First thing, I'm gonna go to the products and categories, and let's see, let's take a lightning category. I'm gonna paste this slug here, and now if the cart contains the product with a lightning category, it will remove flat rate and local pickup and DPD shipping methods. So only run on site front end, save changes and activate. Your task is just to add the correct shipping IDs and correct category here. This golden lamp, let's add it to the cart. Now let's go to the checkout, and as you see, bunch of shipping methods are removed. To test it out, let's deactivate it for a second. Let's refresh it. If after refreshing nothing happens, then just go to the cart, refresh your cart. And as you see, it clears all the cache, and now you see what's happening here. Once again, I'm gonna activate it, refresh it, refresh the cart, and there you go. Now, if you would like to use more than one category, then just add comma here, copy this part, replace the slug, and you're good to go. Now, if you would like to disable WooCommerce shipping methods based on specific tag, then let's do that. It's basically the same code, just this part here, product cat, replace it with product tag. Now go to the product tags, choose the slug, for example lamps here, replace this slug, add your shipping methods, and you're good to go. Now next one, I'm gonna deactivate this one here, and I'm gonna show you how to disable WooCommerce shipping methods based on specific products on your cart. So I'm gonna add a new snippet, give it a title, paste this code, and now I'm gonna go to the products. If I hover on a product, as you see, there is a ID number here. So some product has an ID 2545, and this blue umbrella has a 422 product IDs, and those are the shipping methods I'm gonna remove for those two specific products. Once again, only run on site front end, save changes and activate. Let's add this blue umbrella to the cart. Let's view the cart. We already have some product here, and as you see, there are a bunch of shipping methods that are removed. I'm gonna delete those two products, blue umbrella and some product, and as you see, now there are other shipping methods available. Let's delete this one here, and even more shipping methods are available. Simple yet effective, isn't it? Okay, next one, I'm gonna delete this one here, so it's not gonna mess up my other stuff here. Now, let's disable WooCommerce shipping methods based on specific product variations or attributes on your cart. Let's add a new snippet, paste this code here, and now I'm gonna go to the products and attributes. Take a look, I have color, condition, and size. That means I would have to add this slug and this slug. I'm gonna use color and condition. So slug color, slug condition, and those two are here. This prefix PA is always there. Just add the slug color, condition, size, or whatever it is. And now let's take a look at the attributes. I'm gonna open up the terms. Every term has its own slug, black, white, and so on. So I'm gonna hide local pickup if cart contains attributes black, white, or used. I'm gonna deactivate DPD pickup points for black, white, and used, and flat rate for black and white. Nothing else to configure here, so only run on site front end, save changes and activate. Now let's choose a black color, size big, and condition used. Add it to the cart. View cart. And as you see, bunch of shipping methods are removed. Just to test it out, I'm going to deactivate it, refresh it. I'm going to update the cart for a second. And there you go. All the shipping methods are back again. So if you thought it's going to be a difficult thing to accomplish, as you see, it's not so difficult. And that means we're going to move to the next act. That is, let's disable WooCommerce shipping methods based on cart subtotal. And once again, we're going to add a snippet. And that means we're going to add another snippet, hide based on cart subtotal. Paste this snippet here. And a couple of things for you to point out. So I added 4 shipping methods I'm going to remove based on the conditions. Rate ID 1, 2, 3, 4, flat rate 1, local pickup 2 and 8, and DPD. Now, if the cart subtotal is less than 25, I'm going to remove IDs 2, 3 and 4, that is local pickups and DPD. If the subtotal is between 25 and 50, I'm going to remove IDs 1 and 4, that is flat rate and DPD. And if the subtotal is more than 50, I'm going to remove IDs 1, 2 and 3, that is flat rate, local pickup and local pickup 2. Now only run on site front end, save changes and activate. Let's go to the cart. As you see, currently I have 15 euros in cart. I'm going to update it. And as said in our conditions, if the subtotal is less than 25, it's going to remove 2, 3 and 4, that is both local pickups and multi-parcels. Currently it's more than 29, so let's reduce the amount and those are removed. Now let's reduce it to 3. As you see, only local pickups are here. Now let's increase it to 6 and DPD is here. Works well. You can modify the code. Similarly, just add rates or subtotals and it's easy to configure. Now let's disable WooCommerce shipping methods based on cart weight. I'm gonna delete this one here. Add new, give it the title, paste this one here and take a look. If the cart contains weight more than 50 kilos, let's remove local pickup. Only run on site front end, save changes and activate. At the moment my cart weight is 0 kilos, therefore let's add a product that contains some weight. So 9 kilos, nothing to remove. Let's add 10 of those here. Update. My cart weight is 90 kilos and as you see, local pickup 1 is removed. Now if I would like to remove any other shipping methods, then I'm just gonna copy this part here and add, for example, local pickup 2 that should be removed. As you see at the moment, local pickup 2 is shown, but I'm gonna remove this one also here. So I'm gonna update the cart and there you go. Only free shipping is available. Now I'm gonna deactivate this one and let's take a look at the free shipping options also. And that is, if we have activated free shipping, then we don't have any reason to show any other shipping methods, do we? So I'm gonna remove all shipping rates when free shipping is available. And that means I'm gonna paste this snippet here. I don't have to configure anything, just save changes and activate, run on site front end, refresh your cart. And there you go. Only free shipping is available because the free shipping threshold is reached. But what if I would like to hide all shipping rates if free shipping is available, but I would like to keep the local pickup? Well, don't worry. Just deactivate this one here and add another snippet. This one. Once again, nothing else here to configure. It will hide all the shipping rates, but will keep the local pickup. So only run on site front end, save changes and activate. Let's refresh the cart. And as you see, free shipping and local pickup are there. I'm gonna delete this snippet and move to the next one. That is, I'm gonna hide WooCommerce shipping methods based on user roles. Add a new snippet, give it the title, paste this snippet, and now let's take a look what happens here. First, there is an administrator user role. I'm gonna remove local pickup and flat rate for the administrator. For the customers, I'm gonna remove free shipping and another flat rate. All other users, that means even if they are not logged in, for those I'm gonna remove smart post and DPD. So only run on site front end, save changes and activate. I'm logged in as an administrator, so let's test it out. And now I'm gonna refresh the cart page here, and after refreshing my cart, I'm logged in as an administrator. As you see, I removed one of the local pickups. Local pickup 2 is here, but first one is missing. and no flat rate, that is courier, is visible. Now I'm gonna open up the private window here. I'm gonna go to the site, add some product to the cart, view cart. I'm logged out user. I have to go to the checkout page, select my country, and as you see, there are 2 local pickups, courier, free shipping, but not the TPD or smart post. Now I'm gonna log in. I'm logged in as a customer now. And what do I have here? Let's choose the country, and I have local pickups, TPD and smart post, courier. And if I would like to remove the courier, once again I'm gonna just take flat rate 1 here, this one, go to the snippets, replace flat rate 5 with flat rate 1, save changes and activate. And if I refresh my cart, as you see, the courier is also missing here. Once again, really easy solution. Now, there is one thing that bothers me sometimes with a WooCommerce, and that is if I choose local pickup, there is a ship to a different address. There is no point for it. So I'm gonna remove ship to different address if the local pickup is selected. Add another snippet, give it the title, paste the snippet, only run on site front end, save changes and activate. Let's refresh it. And as you see, I have local pickup selected, but there is no ship to different address. If I choose free shipping, there it is. If I choose this one, there it is. There is nothing here to configure, just leave it as it is. But what if I would like to enable this ship to different address only for specific products? Well, fear you not, just give it a new title and paste this snippet here. Once again, here are the product IDs. If you skip the previous part, then go to the products, all products, hover on a product, and there is an ID here. Now what will it do? If the cart contains product with this ID or this ID, then the ship to different address section is removed. Only run on site front end, save changes and activate. Now let's add this product to the cart. Let's take a look at that checkout page. And as you see, since my shopping cart contains this product, there is no ship to different address option here. Now if I go to the cart and remove this product here and go back to the checkout once again, as you see, the ship to different address section is back. And this way we used 15 simple hacks to tweak our WooCommerce shipping system. Now there is also a way to customize your WooCommerce checkout page, and I have made a video which contains 26 simple hacks for you to use on the checkout page. If you would like to customize your checkout page, and if you're interested, then take a look at the video you see on the screen right now. But now before you go, if you like the video, press thumbs up and let me know in the comments which hack did you like the most. Meanwhile, take care.